into.
Second tranche. Functional test and visual inspection.
To determine the basic functionality and accessories of 161 units patrol Jeep, the following were conducted. Starting the engines, turning on the air conditioning system and gradually adjusting it to the coolest. Application of brakes, switching on the lights, siren, wipers, blinkers, audio system and other accessories included in the vehicle. After the inspection of 161 units, the randomly selected unit of patrol Jeep will undergo a complete test. Phase 1. Dimensional and technical inspection. The purpose of this is to determine the completeness and correctness of the vehicle subject for test, based on the requirements specified by the latest approved technical specifications, revised manual on inspection, and other requirements indicated in the bidding documents. Phase 2. Test proper. Before the conduct of endurance and long drive test, the randomly selected unit of patrol Jeep undergone smoke emission test to determine the vehicle's compliance to environmental laws. This is being done before and after the long drive test. It was also loaded with sandbag to achieve the full load condition. Stability test. The purpose of this is to determine the stability of the vehicle specifically on alignment without pulling to the left or right. The vehicle will be driven on a flat cemented or asphalted road for 100 meters without human intervention on the steering wheel. Left or right deviation must not exceed 1 meter. Service brake test. The purpose of this is to determine the stopping capability of the vehicle by contact friction. The vehicle at 3 trials and at full load condition will be driven on a flat cemented or asphalted road with a constant speed of 80 kph. Upon reaching the designated line, the driver shall apply the service brake. The vehicle should stop within a distance of 30 meters. Acceleration test. The purpose of this is to determine if the vehicle can attain the required speed at a given time. The vehicle at 3 trials and with at least 3 passengers will be driven on a flat cemented or asphalted road as fast as it could. The vehicle should be able to attain the speed of 45 kph within 15 seconds and 60 kph within 30 seconds. Gradability or ascending test. The purpose of this is to determine if the vehicle engine's power is sufficiently strong. The vehicle at 3 trials and at full load condition will be driven on an inclined cemented or asphalted road, approximately 20 degrees, and while in the inclined road, the driver shall apply foot brake then perform stop and go while negotiating the inclined road. And it should be able to negotiate on that condition. Speed test. The purpose of this is to determine if the vehicle can attain a speed not lower than 100 kph. The vehicle at 3 trials and with at least 3 passengers will be driven on a flat cemented or asphalted road with increasing speed reaching not lower than 100 kph. It should be able to attain that speed. Turning radius test. The purpose of this is to determine the vehicle turning radius during left U-turn. The vehicle will be driven 360 degrees full left turn on a flat cemented or asphalted road. It should not exceed 6 meters, and the measurement will be taken on outside part of the tire. Towing test. The purpose of this is to determine if the vehicle can tow another vehicle with at least the same size and weight. The vehicle will be driven on a flat cemented or asphalted road for a distance of 1 kilometer. It should be able to tow another vehicle. Fording test. The purpose of this is to determine if the vehicle can cross a river or a flooded area. The vehicle should be able to cross a river or a flooded area with a submerged depth of approximately half of its tire height. Durability or long-distance travel test. The purpose of this is to determine the vehicle's quality and performance. The vehicle at any road condition and at full load condition will be driven for 1,500 kilometers without turning off the engine. It should not encounter any malfunction such as, but not limited to engine, radiator, starter, fan belt, brake, bearings, clutch, pulleys, steering wheel, drive gears, engine and transmission support, steering system, air conditioning system, headlights, blinkers and siren, brake lights, signal lights, instrumentation and gauges, hazard lights, door lock and window mechanism which would affect the performance of the vehicle. Smoke emission test after the durability or long drive test. This is the last test and is being done after the 1,500 kilometer long distance drive without turning off the engine, and it should pass the test. And that ends our presentation. Thank you for watching.